Hey guys, and thank you for joining me again for another unboxing. God, I can't remember which one of you said. You left it in one of the comments on one of the unboxings. It's like Christmas in August. Yes, it is, and it's great. Excited about this one as well. And thank you so much for the comments on the last shave as well, and your support and everything else, and concerns about the back and everything. And thank you so much, guys. It's overwhelming. Thank you. Right, I'm going to do this one first. Thank you so much, Chris Groocock, for reaching out to me yet again. Chris contacted me a while back. He no longer wanted or needed his Rex Envoy. I was going to say Rex Ambassador. Rex Envoy, and I purchased it off him, and it's a fantastic razor. And he reached out to me again, so he offered me, I might not need Draper today. How you guys doing? You alright? You be getting much stuff through the mail? You having some great shaves? And a note. It's a note. I love notes. I got a note in the last one off Jay. You alright, Jay? How you doing, buddy? Right, here we go. Hi, Chris. Thanks for taking this off my hands. I hope you enjoy it. Some words of encouragement. I do so enjoy your shaving content, and I am in respect mode. I think that's what it says, respect mode for all you do on video. I've been wet shaving for a good few years and love it, but doubt I'll ever record myself. Hey, if you want to do it, do it. Don't do it when you feel ready. Do it when you're not ready, because you can always improve. And I will always say that to anybody who's ever thinking about doing YouTube, because I was the same. I'll do it when I think I'm ready. I'll do it when I think I'm not ready yet, and this, that, and everything. Do it when you're not ready. That way it comes natural, and just be yourself. Enjoy it and have fun. And that's exactly what I did. What I do now. When I do the videos, before I start, I am still nervous as anything, but it's fun. It's a nice nervous. So if any of you guys are thinking about going on YouTube and starting your own channel, do it when you're not ready. Don't do it when you think you're ready, because you will always improve. Where was I? Please do continue, and hopefully in the next 12 months there may be an opportunity for something get together. I'm sorry, Chris, I can't read that. I can't read it. Shaving get together. I'm always in favour of get-togethers, and I love meetups, and there hasn't been any, obviously because of the COVID and everything, but I am going to try a meetup, hopefully in the future. It's not going to be anytime soon. I'm hopefully going to try and arrange a meetup in the Gentleman's Green Room with Kevy and a couple of other subscribers and YouTubers, hopefully. I do have plans, and I'm hoping to organise that, because there is nothing like that around where I live. I think the nearest one from where I live was Leeds, and I don't think it's any longer in business. But I have got plans, so watch this space and let's get into it. How am I supposed to open that, Chris? I don't want to damage anything. Do you know what? I couldn't have cut that any more perfect then. Thank you so much, Chris. And you said it. Yeah, I got one of them as well, mate. I knew it wasn't off you because both of our names are Chris. And when I first got my brass carve, he's calling me Chris because he knows me. No, he doesn't know me because his name's Chris as well. I love these stickers. I know all about the instructions. There it is, guys. I know I've got a brass one, but I just wanted a stainless steel one. Christopher Bradley Carve stainless steel. Thank you so much, Chris. And it's a reasonable price as well, mate. I wouldn't have paid it otherwise. And what did you say you had you had the B plate, was it? Yeah, I think that's the B plate if you can see it, guys. The B plate and was it the A? I think the B plate and the A plate will make a great daily driver for you guys. But I think the A plate was in an open comb. Yes, it's an open comb, but is it the A plate? Yes, it is. I remembered. I look forward to trying these. The A plate could be the plus plate. Is the A plate the plus plus? I'm not too sure because I think they recommend do a grade below. So if I wanted a D plate in an open comb, it would be a C plate on a closed. I think that's how they work it out. I don't know. I'll leave a link in the description for the Christopher Bradley website. I'm excited to use that. But I will be getting more aggressive razors because plates, because I love blade feel. Just a personal preference. Right, Slickboys. I'll leave a link into Slickboys as well. And I'll leave a link into the main company vendor, if you like, of this soap, because I know what it is, but I am excited. Invoice, receipt. Yes, Scott, I keep every receipt and I'm still gonna do it. Right, oh, do you know what? I hate these things. Hate them. But they do a good job. Right. Do you know what I like about Slickboys as well? Every time you order anything from Slickboys, you get a refresher bar. Do you remember these guys when you were a kid? Absolutely. And they made them smaller as well, didn't they? Right, I'm having a shaverage. I forgot to mention Thatcher's Gold cider, ice cold. It's been warm tonight. There we go. I ordered Southern Witchcraft's Arcane Abyss. They do another one. They do a Forge. Oh, is it Neta, something like that. There's two they do. They've relaunched this after a year. I'm not too sure if it's a summer scent. Oh, that is beautiful. There's the pour, guys. That is beautiful. That's complex. I'm not going to go through the notes or anything. I'm not going to go through the scent. I'm going to wait till I use it. But that's what it looks like. And wow, I like the bottle. It's got a matte finish on the bottle. I like that. Apart from you can't see how much you got. but I do like that finish. The labelling is superb. It is absolutely perfect. The only thing I don't like when you do get soaps like this, there's no ingredients on the bottom. I prefer soaps when there's ingredients on the bottom and you've got some kind of labelling on the edge, but that's nice artwork. I like that. But I do prefer, I just mentioned, and there's the matching splash. So more exciting shaves to come, guys. New razors, new soaps, splashes, and everything. I'm investing everything in the channel because I'm just at my anniversary. I'm just over a year into it, and I'm absolutely loving every minute of it. I'm enjoying the journey into wet shaving even more. I'm learning all the time, and I'm just enjoying it. It's great. I'm absolutely having a blast. So thanks for joining me on this unboxing, this small unboxing. Have a great rest of the weekend, and don't forget as well, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you haven't checked out my 1 year anniversary shave, check it out and enter the giveaway. It's #1 year. Feel free to leave a comment. The draw will be on Monday. I might make an announcement on Sunday, put a video up, just a 2-minute thing to remind you guys that the draw's on Monday, because I think I forgot to mention it. But don't forget, there's another giveaway next week. It's the 800 subscriber giveaway, and I'm looking forward to that one. It'll be another good giveaway. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now, guys. Take care.